cooking with the Munchie Mafia official.
Oh my, oh my, oh my.
Chef CV, what you cooking today?
Mafia. So today we are making the carnitas for our live stream for tonight. And what we have is a whole bunch of ingredients, but we're only going to go through just a little bit of it first. We're going to start with the pork and all the other accoutrements. We're going to be putting it into the Chef IQ cooker. And then we're going to let it go and let it ride. It's presently 2:30. Got a little bit of a late start today. So first off, we're going to go and take a look in our Chef IQ and see if we've got an actual carnitas recipe in here. So we're going to choose pressure cook, and we're going to choose pork, and we're going to go pork butt, cubed, and it's fresh, and we're going to use a scale just like so. We're going to zero the scale. Come on, zero scale. There we go. Now we're going to add our pork. And this is going to be braised, and then we're going to strain it out and shred it, and then fry it up, and then add it to our Mexican lasagna tonight. So this is telling me that we've got 6 pounds, 6 pounds even, we'll just say. So now we're going to hit confirm. And this is a whole pork butt that I just cut up into chunks, roughly about 3/4 of a pound to a half pound, as best as humanly possible. So we're going to want to have a cook time of 1.5 hours, and we're going to have it on a high pressure. We're going to put pulse for the. Actually, no, I don't want to do it quick, so we're going to do natural. Hit continue. We're going to add water. It says 98 fluid ounces, which we're going to use orange juice. That seems like an awful lot. We're just going to top it to 30 fluid ounces. Now, we're going to add some Mexican oregano. Just a healthy dose, like about a handful. And of course, bay laurel, which is the Mexican bay leaf. This is different from Mediterranean. It has a much sweeter, calmer tone to it. And then, of course, we're going to just throw this whole bulb of smoked garlic right on in there. Okay? Whole thing. And, of course, half of a white onion that's been just julienned. And there's a whole bunch of other ingredients that you can add to it, but, you know, just to save time and show you that, yes, you can use these packaged seasonings. This one's actually a barbacoa seasoning, and it smells really good. It has a lot of citrus notes to it, a little bit of smokiness. And now we're going to put the lid on it. We're going to press it down first to make sure that everything's all nice and coated in that orange juice, just like so. And then we're going to put the lid on. And we're going to hit confirm. And we're going to hit, we got it locked. You want to put this thing on for, let's see here, set the regulator to sealed position. So that is, oh no, that's vented, that's sealed. And then this thing is so dummy proof. It's so dummy proof that if you don't have all your groceries, you can actually go into the app and load all the ingredients up into Instacart or Walmart. And you can purchase, I found this out this morning when I was looking for a carnitas recipe. You can actually purchase your groceries through this app for this machine. I think that's brilliant. I don't use it personally. Plus, we live out in the middle of nowhere and we don't have delivery service out here. So now we're going to just hit start, and it's going to just start building up and building up and building up. And it's just a hurry up and wait sort of game. So we're looking at, let's see, it's 2:40 now, 3:40. It's going to be about 5:30. We're going to check this out again and see where we're at, because in order to get it to pulled consistency, you want it right around 200 degrees. That is if you're smoking it. This is braising, so it's going to be roughly about the same, give or take maybe 5 degrees. So anyway, tonight, 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, or Pacific Daylight Savings Time, we're going to be going live with this cook. So be sure to get in and get your popcorn ready. It's going to be a lot of fun. See you soon.
If you haven't yet subscribed to Cooking with the Munchie, Mafia official, now's that time. What's stopping you? Do subscribe today.